Taking a look at today's equity index futures markets, let's look at the Nasdaq futures. As the Nasdaq futures are maintaining upward price action, Nasdaq futures trading higher for a second session, with today's price action moving the futures market back towards those all-time highs. We're holding just shy of that right now, right around the 18,320 level. And that's up about 1.5% on the day. And when you look at some of the driving factors today, really it appears that it has to do with a couple things, but the primary driver is the continued money flows into the tech sector, and really those big tech names, the AI names highlighted by NVIDIA, once again, Meta as well, showing significant strength today and helping to support the overall tech sector and therefore the Nasdaq futures markets as well. And that's one of the primary drivers as we continue to see those stocks, particularly NVIDIA, going to all-time highs once again today. Couple that with the data this morning, which showed, for the most part, was pretty positive. It showed productivity increasing, and it showed wage inflation coming in lower than expected. So another factor, I think, contributing to the sentiment in the equity markets, as we are now seeing all the major equity index futures markets higher on the day, being led today by the Nasdaq, as I mentioned, holding just here right around those all-time closing highs, which were around 18,338. So we're right around there as we move towards the close. Now the S&P continues to move higher, up about 1% today, and that is going to put in a new closing high today. And we're looking at the Russell higher by about 0.75%, and the Dow futures up about 0.5%. So strong price action here, recovery from early selling pressure in the week. Unemployment tomorrow could influence the markets for sure, but in today's price action, Nasdaq leading the way, up about 1.5%, hovering right around those all-time highs.